Hello everyone, myself Hans. Today we are going to solve the given problem from topic common catenary. Question is given, for a common catenary, prove that x is equal to c log y plus s upon c and or y plus of s is equal to c into e to the power x by c. Let's solve the problem. For common catenary, we know that s is equal to c tan psi. Let this equation 1. First we have to differentiating with equation 1 with respect to x. Equation 1 differentiating with respect to x. We have to differentiating, we get ds upon dx is equal to c is constant, and differentiation of tan psi we know that sec square psi, and again psi differentiating with respect to psi x we get here d psi upon dx, and from here we know that dx upon ds is equal to cos psi, and we have to putting the value here, we get this is ds upon dx, and this is the formula dx upon ds is equal to cos psi. So we have to put here in form of ds upon dx, that is 1 upon of cos psi, that is ds upon dx is equal to sec psi. So we have to putting here in place of ds upon dx, that is sec psi is equal to c sec square psi into d psi upon dx. Sec psi to sec psi is cancelled out, remaining is here sec psi, so we have to get here 1 is equal to c sec psi into d psi into upon dx. Dx multiply with these terms, we get here dx is equal to c into sec d psi, and integrating both the sides, we get here integration of dx is x and c is constant, and integration of sec psi here, this is sec psi, we know that the integration of sec psi is log of sec psi plus of tan psi, and we have to taking the constant here k, and for common catenary, lowest point psi becomes 0, and here in and x is equal to c, so we have to putting here, we get the value of k, so we have to putting here, this is c, x is equal to c, and here is also c, log of sec psi is 0, here we have to putting, we get here cos psi is 0, sec psi is 0, and tan psi is 0, then we have to get here log of 1 plus of k, c to c is cancelled out here once again, and the value of x is equal to, on lowest point we can also put here x is equal to also 0, so we have to get here this is 0 and whole 0, log the value of log 1 is 0, so becomes here the value of k is 0, and putting we get the equation here x is equal to c log of sec psi plus of tan psi, and we have to put the value, we know that here s is equal to c psi, this is the intrinsic equation of common catenary, and y is equal to c sec psi is also the intrinsic equation of common catenary, and from here we can find the value of sec I. The value of sec I is y by c from here, and the value of tan psi from here we have to calculate it. We get here tan psi is equal to s upon c, and we have to putting in this equation. Here x is equal to c log of sec psi. The value of sec psi is y by c, and the tan psi is s by c. And we have to solving here. We get x is equal to c log of, we have to taking LCM, that is c, that is y plus of s upon c. This is, we have to solve the first part. X is equal to c log y plus of s by c, and further we can also write here, this is, we can also writing in the form of, once again we have to writing here, taking c into denominator of x, that is x by c is equal to log of y plus s upon c. Log is taken into the exponent form, we get here e to the power of x by c is equal to y plus s upon c, and we can also write in the form of c cross multiplication of this. We have to write here y plus s is equal to c into e to the power x by c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you class, and thank you for watching.